In today's video, I want to share with you how one of my clients quantum leaped and increased their income by 70%. And then I'm going to share with you how to do the exact same. So make sure you have your notepad and your pen handy because I want you to take some notes, and I'm going to give you some homework as well. So are you ready? But first, before we start, man, just have a look at this. Absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful day. So beautiful, man. I'm so grateful. So grateful for this day. You got no idea. I'm so grateful. Grateful for you. Grateful for this day. And just grateful for my existence. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful thing to exist. Now, are you ready? So basically, I want to share with you how one of my clients quantum leaped and increased the income by 70%. So when I started working with this client, she shared with me she kind of feels broken. She feels stuck. She's been struggling for many years, and she feels like she tried everything, but nothing seems to work. And I can totally relate to that. Like, I've been there as well. I've also felt like, I've tried everything and nothing seems to work. I kept on, repeating the same undesirable results. Patterns in my life. And I was like wondering what the hell is happening. And I remember one of my mentors told me that, yo, you're not a victim. You're not a victim. Don't tell me that you've tried everything and nothing seems to work. You're not a victim, you're a victor. Whatever you say goes. You are in total control. I'm like, oh, jeez, yeah, you're right, man. So, he was right. I was not a victim, I am a victor. But what I'm trying to say is that I could relate what my client was going through. And I shared with her, I said, hey, I've got some good news for you. What do you really, really want? Tell me, what do you want? She told me. She was very clear. I said that version of you already exists right now in the quantum field, in your imagination. And I said, I want you to imagine that you already have your desires. And just tell me, how are you feeling? How does it make you feel? And she totally went there, felt it, smiled, and she's like, wow, I didn't want to open my eyes because it felt so real. And I said, hey, that is your 2.0 version. And that version already exists right now. That version already exists right now. I told her that all we need to do now is just for you to become her, to sustain her, and to remain faithful. You don't have to worry about the external reality, about the 3D, about circumstances. You don't have to worry about that. All you need to do is just change yourself, change your inner world, change your mind. And I said, you know what? If I go to a mirror right now and I am expecting the mirror to change, and I'm expecting the mirror to show me a black t-shirt or a black hat, that's not going to happen. Because the mirror is simply just a reflection. The mirror is dead. The mirror is only reflecting me. So I told her, I said, so often we expect our lives to change. We expect the world to change, but we don't change. It's exactly like you going to a mirror and you expecting the mirror to show you the change. It's only when you go into your closet, you go inside your closet, and I take a black t-shirt, I put on the black t-shirt, and when I go back to the mirror, boom, the mirror now shows me the change because I have changed. And I shared, that's what we have to do with you. We have to change you. You have to shift into your 2.0 version. Now, the beautiful thing is your 2.0 version already exists right now. All you need to do is just step into her, become her, sustain her, remain faithful to her, and guess what? The external reality will change automatically. Circumstances will change automatically. Your 3D will change automatically. Your job is just to change you. And of course, the work began. And she literally stepped into it, gave everything, became a 2.0 version. And within 2 months and a few weeks, she manifested a dream home. Just have a look there. That's a dream home on the beach, right on the beach. How freaking beautiful is that? She manifested a dream home. She manifested her dream car. Have a look at her dream car. Look at that beautiful beast, her dream car. And she increased her income by 70%. So she literally quantum leaped by 70%. So now why am I sharing this with you? Because if it's possible for her and for me, it's possible for you as well. It's possible for you as well, irrespective of what you've tried. What my intention today is just to remind you that you can shift into your 2.0 version, and you can quantum leap, and you can increase your income. And as a matter of fact, I am speaking it into existence that you've already quantum leaped, you've increased your income, and you manifested all your desires. Because I know that whatever I say goes. I am a master at manifesting. I am in total control. I am the operant power. So whatever I say goes. Now, the same power that I have, you have as well. The only reason why I'm so confident is because I've tried it. I've tested it. You know, I'm not just reading. I'm not just, buying all these courses and books. I'm literally my own guinea pig. I'm literally trying it on a daily basis. I'm literally practicing what I'm preaching. So that's why I can look into your eyes and tell you with confidence that this shit works, bro. All you need to do is just give it a chance. What I want you to do is comment below your desires. And then furthermore, I want you to comment below if you had to become your 2.0 version right now and you have all your desires. How will you think? How will you feel? And how will you act? And I want you to start practicing this new you every day by literally just experiencing him or her and remaining faithful to him or her and just sustain him or her. And how do you sustain it? By gratitude. You say, I'm so happy and grateful that I am now my 2.0 version. I already have all my desires. It's a done deal. Guess what? The moment you express your gratitude and say that you already have your desires, you are now collapsing that wave in the quantum field, because everything in the quantum field is only a possibility. So your desires are just a simple possibility. The moment you observe it, you're now collapsing that wave. What do I mean by observe? Some people say, well, I can't imagine, I can't visualize, I can't daydream. I said, okay, well, I just want you to observe your 2.0 version. Remember how you used to observe your crush? You just used to check him out, check her out. I want you to observe your 2.0 version like that. Because the moment you observe your 2.0 version like that, you're collapsing that wave and it's already a done deal. Because manifestation is instant. It's not a process. The reason why we've been taught that, oh no, it takes time, it's a process, divine timing and all that, that's other people's beliefs and assumptions. And we have took it upon ourselves and we're like, oh yeah, it's a process, we have to wait. Bro, there's no time in the quantum field. You don't have to wait. You have to say thank you and you have to celebrate, not wait. You have to celebrate. I'm so grateful I already have it. It's a done deal. And you just remain faithful to this new mindset, right? Manifestation is a mindset thing. You have to now remain disciplined and faithful to this new mindset because you, in your mind, you are now your 2.0 version. And that's exactly what my client did. Obviously, we worked together. I was there to hold her hand. I guided her. I told her exactly what to do and what not to do. And as a result, she not only quantum leaped, increased the income, but now in a dream home and also have a dream car as well. So now, I just want you to, for a moment, to close your eyes and just to see yourself in your dream home and in your dream car as well. And the fact that you can see yourself in your dream home and in your dream car means that you already exist. You can open your eyes now. It means that it already exists. All you need to do now is just sustain this new you. This new you is what we call the 2.0 you. This is your 2.0 version. This is the you who already has your desires. And we are celebrating this you now. Now, I believe in you. I know you've got what it takes. I don't want you to go and waste time scrolling throughout 2026. You know, I shared with you guys, I used to spend 4 or 5 hours wasting my time doom scrolling. Now I use the exact same time to literally celebrate my results. And when I use that time to celebrate my result, it literally energizes me. Sometimes I can't even sleep because I'm so excited. It makes me feel so freaking alive, so powerful, because I know that, okay, I'm celebrating this new version, this 2.0 version. And I want to say that I know you've got what it takes as well. I believe in you. I know you're probably also saying that, well, you know what? I've tried everything. Nothing seems to work. I'm here to tell you that you are not a victim. You are a victor. You are in total control. You are the creator of your reality. You are the God of your reality. How do we know this? Look at your results. Look at your results. Your results is a manifestation of your assumptions. What are your assumptions? Your beliefs. You have assumptions about your health, about your business, about money, about your family. And all the assumptions that you have usually shows up every day. So now when you take your power back and you say, hey, I don't agree with this assumption anymore. I used to believe that money is scarce and that I have to work hard for money. But now I believe that money is unlimited. Money literally follows me like a puppy. Money sticks to me like super glue. Money supports me. Money loves me. Money multiplies for me. And money is my homie. That's what I believe now. That's what I believe now. So what I'm saying to you is that there is a version of you right now in the quantum field, in your imagination, who already exists. All you need to do is just observe that version, become that version, sustain that version, and remain faithful to that version. And your mirror, remember, the mirror cannot change unless you change. Your mirror, which is your life, your reality, your 3D, will change when you change. As I said that, I believe in you. You got what it takes. And I just also want to say, we've got a lot of free coaching resources. Go to the link below. Loads of free coaching resources for you. And furthermore, if you're an entrepreneur and you're ready to take your business and your income to the next level and you're ready to quantum leap, I do offer free mini coaching sessions, but this is only for entrepreneurs who are ready to quantum leap and to take their income to the next level. You can see all the details below as well, and you can book a free mini coaching session with me. Having said that, listen to this. I am celebrating you now because you have quantum leaped and you also have increased your income as well, because I speak shit into existence. I am the creator of my reality, and whatever I say goes. That's right. So congratulations.